again to Nizzy's Playhouse. It's your girl Nizzy and I'm back again. This time I'm here to share with you guys how I got this beautiful SZA inspired hair. Like, isn't it so big and like SZA-y? Like, y'all know I love SZA, so I definitely had to like do this, like do this look. Like, it was like so cute. If you ain't doing so already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, let me know you're rocking with your girl in my YouTube journey, and make sure you guys hit that that bell, that notification bell, so that you can be notified whenever I make new posts, which I'm trying to stick to a schedule. I'm trying to do like 2 times a week, but like, let me tell y'all, this is so hard, this YouTube stuff. Oh, this YouTube stuff is so hard. So yeah, so don't mind the stain on my shirt. Your girl was eating and it went all bad, but I like the shirt and I wanted to wear it, so don't worry about all that. But yeah, this hair was sent to me by another Amazon company. This one is called PixieCurl, so make sure you guys check that out. Yeah, and this is 24 inches, y'all. Like, it's pretty long. I know it looks short, but you guys know with long hair, I mean with curly hair, it, you know, shrinkage is real. So as you can see, like, it's pretty long. It's pretty long. I achieved this look using Flexi rods, y'all. So I'm gonna show you guys what, you know, everything I did. This is a 18-inch closure, 20, 22, and 24-inch kinky curly. You can purchase this on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below where you can click it. This hair also, it retailed for, I think it was $75 to $80, around that range. So it's pretty good hair. The only thing I will say about the ends are they are a little bit like scraggly. So with that last bundle, the longest length, the ends were like kind of scraggly. So I do recommend, you know, trimming them. It kind of had like dead ends, if you will. That's what the vibe I kind of got from it. But overall, the hair, the closure was my favorite part because it was like really to the texture and everything. But everything else, other than that, I don't have no cons to say about this hair. It's affordable and I really like it. So let me know what you guys think. That's it for today's video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the tutorial and leave any comments, questions, concerns down in the comments box. Let your girl know what's up. And as always, thanks for watching. Alright, y'all, so here we are. This is the hair in its natural state. Like, it was too much for me, so I decided to do the Flexi rods. So now I'm just parting it into 4 sections. This is a wig, you guys, so like I did the best I could parting it up and everything or whatever. But yeah, so now I'm just using a spray bottle with water. That's it. That's all that's in this thing. Like, that's it. And then I used a large a large tooth comb, and I'm just combing out the kinks in the hair. This brush that I'm using was sent to me by a company over my Instagram, y'all. This is Be Hairful, and this brush is so dope. It has like the plastic and the boar bristles. So I know we always call this the white girl brush, but it's got black girl bristles built into it, because look at the definition that it offers. Like, wow, sis, like, yeah. So here are the Flexi rods. I did use the purple and the gray ones, a combination of the two. I don't know the measurements, but it's the purple and the gray one. Then I am using the Garnier Fructis Curl Mousse. It's the Curl Construct, and I'm just putting that on to make sure that my curls stay. And then I'm going ahead and I'm just wrapping my hair around the Flexi rod, and then I'm going ahead and I'm just rolling it up. So doing it this way without twisting will create kind of those barrel curls. Let me know if you guys want to see a different video, because there's a different kind of texture you can get by doing it a different way. But this way it's just a flat curl. So that's it. So I did that all over my hair. You know, I just repeated the steps. So you comb out, you put the mousse on, and then you roll the hair up into the Flexi rod. And that's really it, like super easy. I think I used a total of about maybe 14 total. So yeah, that was it. I went ahead and slept on it. In other words, I took it off and then I put it back on for this video. But yeah, anyway, so I'm just taking that out, and then like, yeah, so the ends were kind of stuck a little bit, but it's okay because look at that curl pattern, sis. Now I will say the mousse made it kind of crispy, so maybe I'll try something different next time. But I do like the way that they turned out, like overall. So yeah, they were very, very tight, spirally, curly looking. So what I went ahead and did, and I used the argan oil, Moroccan oil, and I just put that on my hands, and I kind of started separating the curls. But I learned that I like the way that it looks, combed out or whatever, because doing this for one took a long time, and then yeah, I just decided to comb it out with the comb. It just looks so much better. And this is how big it turned out. It's like va boom, like boom, baby. So I did decide to go ahead and cut some layers in it, just because it looked a little bit funny and I needed it to frame my face. So I went ahead and just cut some added layers into the curls, which didn't destroy the curl pattern at all. Like, that was it. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I did go ahead and pull out some front pieces in the bang, and I just kind of poofed it out. But that is basically it. Let me know what you guys think of this hair. Like I said, this was inspired by SZA. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.